Hey, how's it going, my friends? So today we're just going to be unboxing and showcasing this letter necklace that you can get here. So for me, I personally got the letter S here. It's actually kind of a really nice background design on the letter itself. The letter is smoothed off, and on the back it's like got a textured feeling over there. It's a relatively long one as well, and is I think made out of the same material the base is made of here. And for the clipping mechanism, it just has you bring this back and it unhooks, and then if you want to put it back on, you do the same. You just bring the little handle back and you slide the ring over the hook, and there you go. I don't think there's any chance of that coming undone. It seems like a very sturdy and very metal necklace. And just gonna put that on here real quick. To put it on, I like to bring it over from the back and to the front, so that way you can see how you're hooking it on there. Alright, and there we go. And yeah, we have the S pendant right here. A pretty nice necklace, honestly. I wouldn't mind wearing this myself. Seems like a really nice design too. Weight wise, it's all like, it feels heavy duty, like it's not gonna just break off. You probably shower with it and everything like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.